everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Winklink coin, very important update. So if you are a holder of Winklink coin, so be safe from those and keep watch this video till the end friends. Before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. Anyways, before seeing the more details, let's check it out the price changes occur in a Winklink coin. As you can see here, now at this time in the last 1 hour the Winklink coin start moving upward, except of the last 1 hour the whole changes occur as in negative friends. As you know, if you are a holder of Winklink coin, so you already know that the Winklink coin is going down day by day, hour by hour from a previous last 1 week friends. As you can see here, now the currently also the last 1 week price change as negative friends, but I hope with the passage of time the price change will become again positive friends. And now if we talk about the price of the Winklink coin at this time in the market, so the Winklink price is the market as 0.00553 USD dollar is the currently price of the Winklink coin. That is the latest price of the Wink you are watching here. And if we talk about the market rank of the Winklink coin in the market, so 136 is the market rank of the Winklink coin. Now in the last hour the price is only goes upward. Let's see, as you can see here, that is the last 1 day price chart, that is the last 24 hours price chart of the Winklink coin. As you can see here, in a previous time over and over fast occur in the Winklink coin. As you can see here, fast down, and after that it is time they again take a jump small, and after this again fast down. And now as I told you that the last 1 hour pricing is positive, so in the last 1 hour they again start moving upward. So hope this jump will continue for a long time, but we can't see about the future. Maybe they again fast down in the future, but you should have to hold Winklink coin. Remember that if they fast down or moving upward, you should have to hold Wink coin for a long time friends, because as you can see here the price changes occur in the last 1 week as still negative friends. For instance, if you decide to sell Winklink coins, absolutely you are in the loss friends, because the last 1 week price change as negative friends. When the last 1 week price change become positive and then you decide to sell, so I think you are in the profit friends. But now currently situation, if you sell Winklink coin, if you decide to sell and now as you already know that the price is going down, the pricing is negative, so that's clear that you are in the loss friends. And a lot of people also do this mistake that they decide to sell when they see the small falls occur in a Winklink coin, so they decide to sell. So absolutely be safe from those and don't do this mistake friends. Anyways, if we look for short term, the price changes occur in the 24 hours, so negative 26.87% price negative changes occur in the last 1 day, and 0.00757 USD dollar is the highest price of the Winklink coin. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Wink? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.